Welcome to Bruce's training tip of the week. Today we're going to talk mag changes. So mag changes, you have two basic ones, reload with retention and an emergency reload. The reload with retention allows you to keep your magazine after you've done your mag change stored somewhere on your body. That looks roughly like this. You've fired, you're out of ammo, you would like to keep your magazine. Slowly, what it looks like is I reach down to get my spare mag. As I come up, I swap them round, replace my mag in a pocket and engage. Okay, the reload with retention looks something like this. Your next reload is an emergency reload. This is once you've run out of ammunition in a fight and you have to do a reload right now, you have no cover. So you will draw your garment, you will engage, drop the magazine and re-engage. So to do the emergency reload, go something like this.